Welcome to Daddy's Day. Welcome to Daddy's Day. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. You are my superhero. D-A-D, that's the day. D-A-D, that's the day. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. You are my superhero. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, I love you.
I see so many smiling faces today, and I would like to take a moment to extend our greatest thanks to all the amazing fathers, grandfathers, and father figures who have joined us today to celebrate Father's Day. So a huge round of applause to them, please. Thank you.
Welcome to our annual Father's Day celebration. Today we pause to honor the men who teach us, protect us, and lift us higher, our super dads. We have a morning full of love, laughter, and special performances just for you.
What an excellent performance, two excellent dance performances. How are you today? Happy Father's Day. Can we get a happy Father's Day, everyone? Happy Father's Day! We would like to now transition into a moment of respect and gratitude, and we ask all the children to please quietly join their fathers where they are seated for the respect.